Ah, yes! Enduro line. Oh, cutting it to the left. Matt's on my tyre. Hey up. Feeling pretty badass. In my new Odyssey Activewear gear. Thank you to Chris at Odyssey Activewear. Winter is definitely coming, and in the nick of time, Odyssey Activewear have been in touch to send me a new Camo Tech hoodie and some Cyclops eye protection that I will be reviewing on the channel very, very soon. So I'll put a link in the description and you can go on there now if you are looking to buy any mountain bike or outdoors gear such as this. You will be very, very impressed with the quality and the functionality of these hoodies, and you can see a lot of details on the Odyssey Activewear Instagram, so go follow them. You can also buy products from the website, whether it is for yourself or somebody as a nice little Christmas present coming up soon, with code MIDPACK10, which is down to yours truly. You're welcome. So go and have a look and you can get 10% off. Today we will be mixing it up with a couple of riders on the trail, swapping over, and a little bit of support from Valley MTB boys. So nice one for that. Like I said before, winter is coming and we are dicing with the treacherous Wharncliffe trails. So hold tight for season 2, episode 3. Stay tuned. Whew, what? Hey, hope. Hey up, welcome to the channel. Today I'm riding with Andy and Matt.
Hey up. Hey up.
And this is Pegasus into Peeping Tom. Right, Matt, you jump in first then.
Ready?
Yep. Nice and steady, ain't wet. Oh, he's off already. Try and keep a good pace. These slippy rocks. Ah, yes! Done this before. First e-bikes on trail series. Oh! Enduro line. Over this tech bit. New jagged rocks. Second section. Going well. Keep it rolling, then we're going to swap over. Oh, last bit. Go on, Andy. Nice. Straight into Peeping Tom. Hold it together. Perfect paces. Oh, cutting it to the left. Watch out for these roots. A couple of berms. Off camera this bit, stick to the right. Ah, sound. Get lined up for this jump. Yep. Oh, to the left. Come round to this hip. Let off. Nice. Oh, bottom back end. Oh. Matt's on my tyre. Yes. Oh. Perfect. Nice. Oh,
Hey, nice.
skids.
Nice.
Perfect finish. Oh, nice. 1, 2, Andy and Matt. That were awesome. And definitely held it together. Pegasus, not a track that I'd consider to be like a main go-to track in Wharncliffe, but definitely one that needed to be on trail series. Been riding with Andy and Matt for a good few years now. They've both turned to the digital dark side, but they do still have their analog bikes. But yeah, top riders, good buzz off each other with certain features and certain trails when we go away and things like that. Chuffed to bits with that, and Valley MTB lads all giving us a cheer as we went past and changed over. Might consider that for some more trail videos. So let me know what you think to that, if you ride in Wharncliffe, if these videos are helpful, if these videos are entertaining. Don't forget to subscribe so you can tune in next time for another episode on the Season 2 Wharncliffe Trail Series, DIY vids or other bike related videos, and I'll see you next time. Nice one.